I'm T.
And I'm E.
And this is the DDD.
Great morning, holy brothers and sisters! Today we are in AvodahZara, up to page number 68.
On 68b2, the Gemara of the Talmud mentions that there was a story that there was a mouse that fell into a barrel of beer, and Rav prohibited that beer. If we look at the art school notes of the Daf Yomi edition at the bottom, it says that the mouse fell into the beer. It wasn't removed from the beer until after 24 hours had elapsed, and that's the principle that says that which is soaked is like that which has been cooked. It is assumed the mouse imparted a flavor to the beer as if it had been cooked in it. So the practical tidbit we can learn is that just as we mentioned before, every one of us can do an action that affects everyone around us. We should realize that every little action affects our whole soul and affects our whole surroundings every single day, every single task that we do. Don't think that one task we do now doesn't impart anything, but it does make a good spot or a bad spot, a blemish on our soul. And we should only do good things and have only good, bright spots on our souls and our shamas and our character, and not any bad spots or blemishes, God forbid.
Rabbi Meir explains that if an avela, a carcass of an animal that was not slaughtered properly, which is normally fit for consumption, other than by Jews, was tainted from the outset, for example if it had boils, this meat would not be problematic to negatively affect a mixture, since it is not even fit for consumption by anyone. Rabbi Shimon defines this meat as nothing more than mere dirt. So this rule, in a nutshell, is that something insignificant gets lost in what surrounds it. And this is the deep thought for the day. We have to get lost in our surroundings. We must humble ourselves. We must turn ourselves upside down and completely pour out and shake out all the dirt, the schmutz, the grime, all the chametz, haughtiness, self-worth, and arrogance. And once we have completely emptied the vessels that we are, only then can we be refilled with God's pure, deliciously sweet, natural, clean water. So as we're cleaning out our homes and searching for the chametz, remember to be internalizing the real meaning and lesson for what we should really be searching for. There will be a time to rebuild, relearn, and reassess our qualities at the start of the Omer, which we'll talk about more, God willing, in the weeks to come. But for now, start by eliminating everything other than correct connectedness to the Creator.
Thank you so much for learning together, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, share, and borrow. And please, God, we'll learn again tomorrow. Great morning, holy brothers and sisters. Great morning, holy brothers and sisters. AvodahZara.
Connectedness.
Thank you so much for learning together. Thank you so much for learning together.
Here, okay?
Share and borrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Out.